Hi there, my name is Nicola and I'm a co-founder of OpinioAI, and today I'm really happy to introduce you to our new feature, which is synthetic focus groups. We are building OpinioAI to help you get to the insights fast, understand your customers and markets by using modern technologies, and this is definitely a really, really powerful step forward. Simply because with focus groups, we allow you to include several different personas in one virtual room where the AI moderator will ask questions and you will get the response back, and you will have a nice report in the back as well. This is extremely powerful because this is the first time we can actually put different models built on personas inside a virtual room where these personas can discuss a question. So, without further ado, let me just quickly introduce you how it works. So, you can find focus groups in our synthesized group of features. Basically, it's the middle one now, and to run a focus group, you would need a AI moderator. But the flow is pretty simple as well. You would just click a focus group here and then create a new one. And then the system will tell you, hey, you don't have a moderator. Now you need to create a new moderator, and you click this. And it's the moderator here that will guide the entire focus group. You can name it. We can say, hey, this is Philip. A discussion topic today. Let's have AI discuss favorite uh, okay, chocolate brands. I will not do beers, but let's do chocolate. And once you click here to generate questions, what the system will do, it will try to figure out what you want to do, and it will generate questions, but also introduction that will set the pace and everything. For these purposes, I will remove some of the questions. You can add your own as well. But ultimately, this is it. Once you create an AI moderator, now you have a moderator to use in the focus group. In the focus group, you can say chocolate preferences. You can click a moderator to use, and then now you click which personas you want to include there. At the moment, there's no limit, but we will probably now include a limit soon because it might break because it's too many personas, because you'll see how it works. But at the moment, you can pick, for example, Anna that's built on Gemini, Carlos is that's built on GPT 4.1, and Andre that's built on Cloud Sonnet. This one is a Polish truck driver, if I remember. So his responses might be different. But ultimately, once you pick your personas, you will create a focus group. Then the system will, on the back end, of course, create it, give you a summary what can you expect, and how many credits you spend, unless you change questions, because you can change questions inside the focus group as well. But once the discussion starts, the flow is at the moment clickable, but we will build this to be automated, but it's pretty simple. So here you will see an introduction phase. This is where a moderator actually introduces themselves. And then you will just click to next introduction, where all of these models will continue to introduce themselves. So we have now Andre that will introduce himself. Oh, there is even some physical mimicking here. But yeah, he's a Polish truck driver, and it's good to have like different types of people um, inside a room. But here's how you see the flow of the focus group. Ultimately, the introduction is different aspect and the question phase. But whenever there's a stop, you can actually just click add here and add a new question if you want. To be simple like this, where do you buy your chocolate? Uh, and then click add. For save time, I will delete this one. And then you will start the discussion. So this is the virtual room that happens. The discussion itself happens in two phases. There is an answer, and then there are reactions where the personas will react for what they heard. Ultimately, they will all follow the pace from the AI moderator. So AI moderator asks the question, and then now all of these will actually answering the question itself. And Gemini is super slow comparing to other uh, other models. So let's see what they say. Okay, nothing too bitter nor too artificially sweet. Okay, and yeah, the personas will be conscious of the entire conversations that happen, entire focus groups, including reactions. And this is let me see what the Milka. It's a Polish, yeah. Federal Barcelona States, Polish Vision firm. And now, once the answers are done, then we'll go to reaction phase. In reaction phase, everyone will react to the basically to the persona's answers from before. And this is probably now, who was this? Anna. That's taking so long to react. Let's see. Yeah, Gemini takes time for some reason. Um, yeah, Andre is a bit, he's not picky about chocolate. Of course, you need to build personas that fits best the purpose of the focus group and best to your goals of the research. But I will just use this example as you can see what's the actual potential of this. And then you can have multiple questions and you have these personas answers and giving feedback, giving the loops, and you can ask questions again to get back to emphasize something, and it will work fine. I just want to click around this to get to us to report, so you can see what the report looks like. But ultimately, yeah, this is the focus group, but of course you can scale it up as you see fit. Ultimately, what you need to know that, yeah, at the moment everything is clickable. You need to click to get response back. We are thinking now whether to automate all this process. It's not a problem. We can automate it, but for some reason and some feedback we got, I think it would be really good to have like some kind of control on top of this. So you can actually add questions as you see fit or re-answer something back, or at least when you actually just read something that you find something that will basically help you get to your insights. And now that all the yeah, actually, these I know that these are really local Polish supermarkets, so this is really spot on. It's really interesting. So ultimately, once you wrap a discussion, now the system will provide you an ability to see a report, to build a report, but also you have also an ability to review all the questions. Don't worry, you will be able to actually download these as a CSV file, so you can further analyze and evaluate if you want. But in this report, we will just you will have just a couple of you will just have a couple of summary details like factual things what happened, and then some key quotes, and then who participated. By clicking here, you can see all the questions that were asked, and all the responses that happened, but also export them as a CSV file. Also, if you click here to generate AI analysis, now the another AI model will pick up the conversation and try to kind of create a really nice report for you, so you don't have to bother. It will generate all the important insights, sentiments, and so on. Definitely depends on the volume of conversations you have, and so on and so on. So ultimately, this is what the report is. We can of course tweak this if you want to some other aspect of the report, but at the moment report includes key themes and patterns, sentiment analysis, cross-segment comparisons, language analysis, and action recommendations even. And of course, all of these will be always available there in your focus group. So you just click view report, and then you have all this report here as well for your consumption. That's it. That's it for this feature. This is a really powerful feature. We will continue to improve it. Maybe add some ability to ask about images or some other content. We'll see. But if you have any other questions or you want us to improve this somehow, please let me know. Okay. As always, my email is nicola@OpinioAI. Please feel free to reach out to me and we can discuss all the details if need be. Thank you very much and speak later.